Hi, so I spent the morning sort of getting things together. Well, not the morning, couple of hours. It's probably a couple of hours because, I don't know where everything is, and I've wanted to try and set stuff up like I would use it in my own workshop. And what I've just been sort of spending time on and just giving a few ideas about is this new cart. So let's spin you around. So this is the Symach tool cart. It's designed to be with you in the workshop or your spray booth, and it's designed to have everything that you'd want for that particular process that you're going to work on. So you can see I've got a solvent degreaser, water-based degreaser. Now this design here, we're actually adjusting that because it doesn't quite work as well as I'd like. So I've given them some ideas, and that's probably going to go into factory and get adjusted. I've just got some paper towel there. Again, another dispenser unit for that would be slightly better. I just got my disc that I'm going to be using today with a blower. On the top there is some Sickens filler, which I've not used before, but Marcello used yesterday, so I'm going to try it out and see what I think about that. I've also got my mask ready to go. This is a Finexa mask. I have seen Finexa around. I've never used it before or had any of their other brands still here, but this was a really comfortable mask to wear yesterday, so that was an eye-opener. Now, this is really good. So this cart didn't have any electrics or anything attached to it, and it meant that you had to trail your power cables in. So I talked to Osvaldo about this yesterday, and I said, just spinning back to me, I just said, it would be much neater and a smarter job if the cart was self-contained and it had all the power already on it, and literally you just need one power cable going up to connect to the main source. So literally overnight, he made it. So it has the power sockets on the top there, 3 power sockets. Obviously this is for the European market, and it will be changed for the UK or the American market. And they've also put this neat little retractable power line in there, which I can't lock at the moment. But there you go. So that's one-handed, it doesn't work. And on this side, I have set up my UV priming and filler curing side. So we have the Drytron, which you would have seen being used yesterday. So that's there. Again, with little slight design development required on there. We sort of made a base for it, but another base is going to be made to fit that better. And look at this. This is quite smart. So this is my Slim Combat UV priming gun. And if I take you in close, it's got my logo on it. That's so cool. Thanks, Markham. Really appreciate that. I've got the 3M PPS cups on there. Never used those, but they have a UV pot, so trying that out. And then we have the UV LED Symach wand, and that's all set up, ready to go. So it looks a lot smarter now, this cart. Still a few little tweaks need to be done on it, but the good thing is Osvaldo and Symach are open to suggestions, so I'm really pleased with that. That bin there, actually, let's just talk about that. That's a bin. The metal plate is in there because I'm just going to use that as my mixing board. But that metal bin is going to be moved around to the side here, so as to free up more space to put your sanding disc, your sander, or any other tools that you may want for that particular section of the repair. So there we go. That's the Symach tool cart. And now I'm actually going to go and have a little break. I'm going to have that donut Osvaldo bought me this morning. And I'm sweating like a donkey at the moment. It's so warm in here. So everything I can imagine is going to dry really quickly. So, yeah, come back to you soon. And I'm going to start recording this afternoon, and we'll upload something fun. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little walk around the Symach tool cart. Bye.